So you see these all kind of Boeings. Like over here, United States. Unknown plane. Let's keep on going up. And did you know you sleep in these engines? And you know breakfast is timings. We just need to climb up here. So look at the airplane. So you see here, that's the airplane. So if you don't know where I am I'm in Sweden, Stockholm, in the airport. Let's get in there. Hi! And this is some other parts plane. It's cool, right? So like the last part of this painting, get more beds. Look, okay, final slap. Okay. See the Norwegian? It's landing. It's hiding.
Where?
He's behind this thing. So we can't see it anymore. He just hiding. So, you know the big thing? Just in the bottom. This is like his belly. This is the place that landing gears come. And here's the landing gears. Look at this baby. Oh, it's heavy. You know you can pin this, but it doesn't work. Just some other parts. Let's go upstairs. More pieces of wings. This is like a 747. You actually think what model it is? Many people would say, oh, this is a Dash 100. But yeah, it's true, it's Dash 100. So we have coming into the wing. And boom, I'm on the wing. So if you see like here, you actually can see the airlines. And one of these Swedish planes. And this plane over here. Look at the tail. The name is Jumbo Stay. Okay, it's actually an old plane. They can't use it because you know in the 90s they had these kind of planes, but it's old. But you know they don't have Dash 100 or SP anymore. So look, this is the windows. And we have the door over there. Let's get down again. More planes, and that's the video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like the video.